Hello children, I am Jyoti Arora, your EVS teacher. Our today's topic is the plant kingdom. The aims of teaching this lesson are to make the students familiar with the importance of plants, to learn about the uses of plants, to give the students knowledge about big and small plants, to learn about different parts of the plants. Now activity time. Have you ever been to park? What are the things you see there? Mention the things you see in a park. We feel very happy and cheerful when we see plants and trees around us. Plants are living beings like us. We need plants to live a healthy life. They make our earth green and beautiful. Activity. Mark and write three differences in the picture. In the picture below, we can see three main differences. The first one is size. The tree is big and the plant is small. The second difference is plant does not bear any fruits, but the tree bears fruits. And the third difference is the stems and branches are well developed in a tree, whereas in plant they are very small. There are different types of plants around us. They all are of different shapes and sizes. Some are big and some are small. Shrubs, climbers, herbs, and creepers are small types of plants. Plants with small height and bushy stem are called shrubs. They live for many years. Example: cotton, jasmine, and rose. Plants with soft green stems are called herbs. Tulsi is a herb and a holy plant to which people offer prayers. Example: grasses, mint, and coriander. A climber is a plant which has a weak stem and needs support to grow upwards. Example: pea plant, money plant, and grapevine. A creeper is a plant which grows along the ground. It has a weak stem. Example: cucumber, pumpkin, and watermelon. Parts of plant. Just as you have eyes, nose, ears, and other body parts, similarly, a plant also has many parts. A plant has two main parts. First one is the part below the ground is called root. Second, the part above the ground is called a shoot. It consists of stem, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. Root. The root is an important part of plant. It supports the plant and keeps it firm to the soil. The root takes in water from the soil. Stem. The stem carries water and food to different parts of a plant. Other parts of the plant, such as leaves, buds, and flowers, grow on stem. Leaves. Leaves grow on the stem. The leaf is known as the kitchen of the plant because it makes the food for the plant. Flowers. Flowers grow on the stem. They make the plant look pretty. Flowers are of different shapes and colors. Flowers are used for decoration purpose also. Fruits. Flowers grow into fruit and fruits contain seeds in them. Different types of fruits grow on trees like apple, mango, etc. Activity time. What would happen if there were no plants on the earth? Then we would not have any fresh air to breathe and fruits and vegetables to eat. Uses of plants. Plants are useful to us in a number of ways. They give us food. We eat different parts of plant. We get the following main items from plants: pulses like black gram, chickpea, vegetables like potato, tomato, ladyfinger, etc., grains like wheat, rice, maize, fruits like mango, apple, banana, and many more. For certain plants, we get wood which is used to build houses. Activity time. Observe your classroom. Pen down the things you see which is made up of wood. In our classroom, we use many things that are made up of wood, like table, chair, and even the pencil we write with. Some plants like neem and tulsi can be used to make medicines. Activity. Apart from decoration purpose, how are flowers useful to us? Flowers are useful to us as they provide us aroma for the perfumes and fruits to us. Now let's sum up the chapter. A plant has two main systems, the root and shoot system. The part below the ground is called root system. The part above the ground is called shoot system. The root fixes the plant firmly in the soil and absorbs water and minerals from the soil. A plant has many parts. Plants are useful to us. I hope you all enjoyed the video and learned the concept properly that plants are our best friends. Thank you.